All right, let's take a look here at the Cloud Foundation Toolkit. So the CFT is a set of Google Cloud infrastructure templates and best practices to help you deploy and manage cloud resources. Some of the key features here are pre-built templates for Terraform and Deployment Manager, enables version repeatable resource management with IAC, includes security, networking, and cost optimization best practices, adaptable templates to fit specific project or organizational needs, support collaborative version control and Git for team collaboration and tracking. And so here on the right-hand side, you can see here's a list of links that go out, and they pretty much all go to GitHub. And for the most part, I didn't see much deployment manager. I saw mostly Terraform. But we can take a look in a video. I did try multiple times to try to deploy one of these templates, and it did not go well. The other part of it is that these templates are not the latest version of Terraform. So whether you should use them or not is up to you. I guess like if you're closely working with Google and they're helping you deploy it and stuff like that, I can understand it. But I personally did not find these very helpful. But I just want to make sure that you're aware of Cloud Foundation Toolkit.